What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick update on the LA wave counts for Matic and Ethereum. We're sitting at 67 cents, down 4.5 on the day. See market about 6.26 billion. 24-hour volume 278 million. So as we can see, I think we are starting the pullback. It looks pretty clear here that we put in the 5-wave move. This wave 5 did break the wave 3 high, as I mentioned, and we failed to hold the pattern. We broke back below it. So I think it's likely that this rising wedge plays out, leading diagonal. We start to pull back in a wave 2 with the target in between 55 cents and 60 cents. Minimum target is the 38.2 fib level at 63 cents. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. For the price of ETH, 5-wave move is complete. As I mentioned yesterday, we reached a perfect 618 target for the wave 5. So I do think the correction is starting with the bearish divergences on the 4-hour playing out, and the target zones in between 1687 and 1788 with a minimum target of the 38.2 at 1832. And what we'll be looking at here is a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and then push up in a 3, 4, 5. See continuation up. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for Matic and Ethereum. We just locked in juicy gains on our Bitcoin trade, 36% profit. We're in 3 other trades right now, and we'll be looking to enter some more on this pullback. So if you want my signals, it's only $10 a month, $10 only. You can sign up to the Patreon link. Make sure to sign up to Bitget or Bybit. That's where I do my trading. The majority of my trading on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Email me or sign up email after you make your first deposit for an extra bonus. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And only $10 a month gets you access to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all place Forex signals and analysis. And as I mentioned, we got over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.